Why are your eyes looking more hooded when you were applying eyeshadow? I'm going to tell you why. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow. This is an all shimmer look, which is so scary for so many of you, but I promise you, if you apply it the right way, your eyes are not going to look more hooded. They're going to look really, really pretty. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. First thing we want to do is we want to prime our eyes. So I'm using a creaseless eyeshadow, but you can use a primer. My recommendation, do you see the discoloration with my eye? Okay, that's one of the reasons I'm doing it. So my recommendation is when you are purchasing an eyeshadow primer, I would get one that is tinted enough that it's similar to your natural eye color instead of getting something that's clear. Because what's going to happen is when you do that, you're actually going to be applying less eyeshadow because you're not going to be trying to cover up the unevenness of your skin tone underneath. And also, it's going to, as I said, it's going to help to prevent creasing. Now, if you use eyeshadow primers and it still kind of creases a little bit, this is what you want to do. The next step is we're going to just add a little bit of a setting powder. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush, tapping the excess off, and now we're going to go in and apply our powder, right? Another thing I will recommend not doing is do not use a setting spray on your eyes. Like if you go ahead and do your foundation first and then you do your eyeshadow and then you want to go on and spray your setting sprays, a lot of times that will stick to your eyelashes and then you'll end up having transfer or creasing. So you're going to want to cover up your eyes with your hand or something when you're using a setting spray if you're applying it after you already have done your eyeshadow. It might work out better for you if you do your eyes first and then go ahead and do your foundation. Okay, so let's go in with the eyeshadow. Now, this is an all shimmer palette, and I don't want you to be afraid of using shimmers. This one is from Chanel, and it's Tissé Rivoli, and we're just going to do it. Easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and use that color right there first. I am taking a kind of medium fluffy brush, so I'm going to use these two brushes. These are both from Victoria Beckham, by the way. So I'm going to use this one in my crease, and I'm going to use this one to blend. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it on my crease. Now, here's where a lot of people get this wrong because they're going like this and stretching their eye, and then they're like, where's my eyeshadow? Don't do it, okay? Don't do it. So we're going to put it right here, right above my crease right there because we need to pull our eyes up because, honey, we're sagging. That's how it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that darker color right there. Same brush. I wiped it off a little bit. Always make sure that you're wiping your brush up in between, otherwise your shadows are going to get muddy. And you could even use a clean brush if you want to. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this on the outer corner, going in with some more. And we're going to build that up. And we want to keep it right here. And what this is going to do is it's going to help to lift the eye. You don't want to pull it too far out. If you do, make sure you're doing that before you do your foundation, okay? Make sure you're doing that because then you can clean it up, okay? So we're just going to keep it on here. And you go work a little bit up there. We really want to keep it on the outer corner. And now I'm going to go ahead and take that other fluffy brush. I just want to wipe it off. I always have a paper towel on my lap. And so I can just kind of blend in between. And then I'm just taking it and we're buffing that out. And I need a 10 times mirror because I can't see. And I know you don't want to look at yourself. That's what people tell me. I'm not saying that I'm not saying you don't want to look at yourself. I'm just saying me personally, I don't want to look at myself that close, but otherwise I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to do something else today because I kind of switched the way I did something. So if you switch something, like if you do your eyeshadow and you change something, you need to change it on both eyes, okay? But this is actually a good tip, okay? I'm going to go back in with this powder shadow. And we're not putting on the crease, so you don't have to worry about it creasing, okay? And this is a creaseless anyways. I'm just going to put it right there because what it's going to do too is it's going to help. That's what I noticed when I did on the other eye. It's going to help it pop grow. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm actually going to take, I'm going to take this brush here, and then I'm going to take this shadow right here, in this one. So it's the one that I started the crease and then that lighter shadow. And I'm going to put that right here. See how that's nice and brightening? Now we're not going all the way to the end, okay? About midway. So I want to make sure we're both even there. And then I'm just going to go back and I just want to make sure that I am blended. Good. Always take the time to blend, blend, blend. I'm looking at my monitor as a mirror. But when you're at home, and I've said this so many times, you want to look close up and far away because you want to be able to get two perspectives. Next, using a pencil brush, I'm going to go in and use this darker shadow right there. Same one that I used on the outer corner. And we're going to apply it right here on the lower lid, and we're going to blend that out. I went ahead and I lined my tight line, and this is all blended out. So now the only thing I have to do besides concealer and everything, the only thing that I need to do is I need to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. And I like to put my head down and really look into the mirror. And I have a less chance of making a mess this way. Gets on my lashes and doesn't get on my lid. And there you go, that's my final look. So do not put any eyeshadow right up here, this area right here. If you have hooded eyes, you're going to highlight it, okay? Especially, I mean, because it's a shimmer, it's going to reflect the light. Anywhere that you put any kind of a shimmer, it's going to bounce the light off. It's going to draw more attention to it. So you don't want to put it there. So put it right here, right above the crease is fine. You just don't want to put it on this part of your eye. All right. Really hope that this was helpful and informative. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It's free. I would really appreciate it too if you found this helpful. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Helps push my videos out. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.